What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome back to your beloved Ethereum update today. It's if you're new to this channel, every day I update Ethereum news around it, but mainly the price, what's happened and what's most likely to happen next. So if you're interested in that, if you think that's valuable, make sure to subscribe. It means a whole lot to me. But yeah, let's get right into it. So before this we covered Bitcoin. Let's actually see if there are some similarities between that. I mean, the volume of Ethereum is still very high. It has dropped down a little bit by 7% over the last 24 hours. Still exceptionally high, all right? Bitcoin is even higher, but like in percentage-wise, obviously it's higher because it's a higher market cap, but percentage-wise it is too. But apart from that, yeah, it's amazing to see. That shows us that even though the market is very bullish, we're still keeping up that volume. I mean, if you check out the last year, obviously volume has been higher at certain points, but it's still very high. And I would even say it's higher than the beginning of the year, which is a great sign for maybe not the short-term future, but definitely for a little bit over the longer term, like next year. Apart from that, we rebounced a little bit after the big drop we had yesterday morning, which you can see, which was followed, which followed after the big bullish small run we had. But we can also check that in the price right here. So let's get right into it. So you might think right now we're like, oh wow, that analysis looks perfect. Right? Is the rest going to be perfect too? But I have to tell you that, I mean, this first part I already drew after it happened. Now this move that we found support here, I did predict, but the main thing behind it is that right now what's happening, in my opinion, is that this was just a bull trap. All right, this was just maybe some whales trying to sell high. And as you can see by the candles, you can see that we actually held that level, so that allowed whales to sell a little bit higher. Letting them gain a profit. After that we dropped down significantly because there was too much supply. All right, that's basically what happened in my opinion, at least. And then we dropped down, but I thought that this support level at around 1275, 1250 was actually strong enough to hold us. So that is what happened, and you can see I actually do expect us to hold that level initially. This small drop I calculated in is basically because I think that October for Ethereum and for crypto is going to be a bullish month. That doesn't mean that we're going to be bullish throughout the entirety of October. I mean, that's impossible. You cannot only go up. Definitely not in a bear market. But therefore, I kind of expected us to consolidate on top of 1250, 1275 for the rest of September. And maybe beginning of October, we might have some sort of a bear trap, right? So we might actually drop down a little bit lower to kind of get in people that are going to short Ethereum, because we're dropping down pretty hard. And then from here, we'll have a big move. We'll hunt those short stop losses, which means they have to buy Ethereum. I mean, that's how it works. So that means that you'll get some sort of a short squeeze. And then somewhere beginning of October, I'm expecting a move up to 1400 and 1425. And from there, we'll see again. I mean, what happens afterwards largely depends on the market circumstances, but also on, for example, technically, what kind of a move or resistance touch we get off of 1425. So that's still up for debate, but I do think something like this is going to happen. That means that I think 1200 is going to hold. I don't think we'll be dropping down lower in the next weeks, which might be a risky take. I could be 100% wrong, but it's my opinion based on historical analysis, but also what we see in the price short term. So yeah, that's my take on Ethereum for today. I'll be back tomorrow, as I said, so make sure to subscribe if you're interested in that. But for now, more importantly, I want to wish you all a great day, and yeah, take care. Bye.